Oh.
You got knocked out. Go.
Tiger Woods is up at the plate. Will he Oh my God, he seems to be.
Way to screw up.
He seems to be stuttering. He calls in his guest.
Michael Jackson.
And he misses. Maybe that was a practice.
Another practice.
Oh, and he hits it.
Wow, Michael Jackson's good at hitting balls.
Don't.
Funny how these last.
Oh, you're gonna freaking hit that. Oh.
Oh! The hell? Oh, dude.
We all like.
He officially hit dirt.
Better freaking that, not the goal of it.